Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to set up your profile. From the landing page, once you've logged in, you'll see multiple tabs here, and one of the tabs will be your profile. Click the profile tab, and from here you can begin editing your personal information here, your email, your subscription information, billing, payment information, and your clinic information. You can use the clinic tab here to add your clinic information and the color of your headers and the values that you would like to see on your label. Once you've done that, you can upload your logo, view your logo, and to see how it would look on your label. And you can begin your orders, and your orders will have your custom logo and your clinic information.